You may be wondering, on either before or after I showed my video on how to make wait, say what? I'll be showing you how to use it. So first, because there's a jet up there, what you first need is a syringe that's fireproof for all of them, just in case. Except for the driver, because the driver doesn't flop around. And then you're gonna have to activate that jet and then turn the propellers and deactivate the jet. And then once it's like that, just activate it again and then deactivate it. Basically just hold on, let's restart. I actually messed up. So first, the best way though is the opposite way. The driver's thing is already broken. So the best way is just to activate these. I forgot about the syringes, but that's how you do it. And then once you feel like it's gonna tip over, just deactivate the thruster and then watch it go. Okay, so that's an issue. But the secret, oh never mind, the weight. I was about to say how you could escape that issue. Well, that's how you do it. Now, let's just say, unpause it. Okay. So let's just say we're in a role play. And they're gonna break down. Well, room. And then activate that. And why is one already dead? Oh no, it's about to crash. And they escaped. Fully. Wee woo, wee woo. Nothing happened. You never saw that. So yeah, that's how you use it. The issue is it's not supposed to be like up to heel. Well, basically up to heel. It can't be up to there. because when it's up to there, it can't fly when it's up there. Let me show you an example. Because out the attentions is this supposed to be like a real life helicopter where if it crashes, it can't go back up and actually damage someone. So now I need to. Okay, perfect. And now, okay, excuse me. I just noticed the chair's gone. Oh well. So we're gonna unfreeze this. And then if this was real life, this all is deactivated. And let's just say the pumpkin, well, let's just change the pumpkin to mud. Let's just say the pumpkin, so let's replace mud. Let's just say mud is out. As you see, depending on that, he will fall off. And he can't get back on. Because he's too full. And you're crashing down. Nope. No. But somehow there's, let me clarify, it's 2 survivors. Oh no, it's 3 survivors. Yeah, there's 2. That one can't stand up. And now there's no survivors. Oh, there's one. But then he'll bleed. Either way, he would die. Then he will bleed out. But I want to see something. If this is extras. Now I want to see. Wait, isn't there's an issue with the thing? Yeah. Not there. Now it actually has less weight we have to deal with. Perfect. So now I did nothing. Maybe I would do a battle against the military with like the toy tank, and then oh, nope, stop moving arms. Toy tank, and maybe if they added tanks, that would be good. So there could be a toy tank, a normal tank, and then military people stop falling down. 6, stop, down. But so that's barely doing anything. The head is saying it back. So, or is it just as you see, it's pushing them back. But what happens if a bus and then an airplane was to attack and a corn died?